So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform one of these plain twig wreaths into a spring wreath. So the very first thing I'm going to add to this wreath are some of these fern-like leaves. Basically, I'm just poking these into the wreath and then adding a touch of hot glue to hold them in place. So then I'm going to add some of these white flowers. So I'm going to use a wire cutters to separate the stems from the main base here. And then I'm just going to poke the flowers into the wreath, just like I did with the fern floral. And use a little bit of hot glue to hold them in place. So then I'd like to add some of these neat berries because they add just a little bit different color and texture to this wreath. Then next I'm going to add some of this purple floral. And I am going to add some shorter pieces of these towards the center just to add to the natural look and fill in the center of the wreath just a little bit more. And then next I'm going to add a few decorative artificial eggs. So I'm just going to get a bunch of hot glue on the egg and then apply it to the wreath. Now for the most part I'm going to keep the eggs just right around the central portion of the wreath. And then very last, I'm just going to add a couple of these adorable feathers that I found on clearance. I just thought they'd make or add a cute touch with the eggs. Okay, and there you have a fun little spring wreath.